Hey Cameron, this is John West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 things that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. The first thing I noticed is that your website isn't working. Um, that would be my first tip, is to make sure that you have a website up and running that's working. And the reason for that is, there's lots of volume. I focused kind of on Long Island, but I found almost 5,000 searches for like roofing repair, Long Island roofer, Long Island roofing contractors, Long Island companies. So there's a ton of volume to be had out there. And if you don't have a website, you can't be found. Google, they're not likely to rank your Facebook page or your Yelp page, or none of that stuff is kind of likely to be ranked. What does get ranked is websites. And this is one of your competitors. This is Long Island Roof Repair. A couple things I wanted to point out when you do get your website up and running. You want quick conversions, so click to call. It's a good thing to have your socials up here, but not really necessary. Perform submits, anything, get a free quote, anything that leads to quick conversions you want right here at the top. Another big thing is you want a lot of content on your site, and content is king. If you see, LI Roof Repair, Roofing Long Island, there's a lot of content here. And the reason why content is important is for a couple reasons. The one is that you could rank for specific keywords. So again, ranking for these keywords super important. So I would have like, roof repair Long Island, if that's what I'm trying to rank for, within my content as head. Save these images as those keywords. So, this image, instead of being saved as, or, maybe they did it right, I don't know, Gal 7, I would save it as Long Island Roof Repair or Roof Repair Companies Long Island or what have you. So, into play. When Google goes to crawl your site, they see that you have that keyword verbatim within your content, whether that be an image or heading or text, and it allows you to rank for that keyword and faster and more efficiently. So lots of good thing. That's my first tip, is get a site up and running. Make sure it has a lot of content and it has those buyer intent keywords. My second tip is to really give yourself quite a bit of ways in which to be found for any given keyword. So for any given keyword search, right? So again, we're looking at roof repair Long Island. When someone searches for that, they have a lot of ways they can convert. We talked about our website, which is important. But what's also important is covering your bases and being seen in a variety of different ways. So you have your local ads here. These are pretty important. They convert at a high level. They're great for you. They're great for the consumer. I really like the local ads. They also have regular Google ads that usually populate above this map pack, and they're good in the sense that you have more control over them. They do convert at a much lower rate, but you can really build them out, get a lot of impressions, build up your brand, be seen by a variety of different people. And so, and they do convert, just not as quite a high level as these other ones. And then these 3 Google business profiles, they pull up to 40% of the traffic. So very useful tool that can help drive traffic to your website. So having a couple of these locations isn't always the worst idea. And again, if you're ranking, or you're running a local ad, if you're running a Google business ad, if you're ranking here and you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic to your site. Some ways in which you can help rank your Google business profile: you can post regularly. You want to save keywords or save photos as keywords and geotag them. You want to make sure your business profile is filled out as much as it can. You want your name, address, phone number out there on as many directories as you can. And, getting 5-star reviews doesn't, helps as well. So that can really help boost your Google business profile. And then last but not least, you want to really boost up the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains that send links back to your site. And those links you want to be do follow links. And that's what builds up your strength of your site and allows you to rank for more keywords and really boosts you up those rankings. Just to show you what that looks like, this is Long Island Roof Repair. And you see here they have 58 do follow links on 99 referring domains. That send them almost 2,000 links. And they're getting they're ranking for 107 keywords, and they're getting 312 searches a month from it. So lots of good things they're doing and that you can emulate. And that's really the best bet, is to see what other people are doing and emulate them and do what they do, but try to do it better. So those would be my 3 tips. I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Would love to get your feedback on this video. With that, have a great day, and God bless.